Hello everyone, so today we are going to start chapter number 1 integers exercise 1.1 question number 1. So question number 1 is following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Means here a number line is given which is showing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Means these temperatures are given in degrees Celsius and these degree Celsius temperatures are of these places. So let us see the A part. Our A part is observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. It means that first we have to observe it and then we have to mark the temperature of these all places. So let us solve it. So first is Lahore Spiti, whose temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. Second is Srinagar, whose temperature is -2 degrees Celsius. Third is Shimla, whose temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. Fourth is Ooty, whose temperature is 14 degrees Celsius, and fifth is Bengaluru. Now I will tell you how these temperatures had came. So first here we can see the number line. So first here is 0, after 0 -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, 7, -8, -9 and -10. So here -8 has came, so we have written the temperature of Lahore Spiti -8 degrees Celsius, and Srinagar 0, -1 and -2, and here we have written Srinagar's temperature -2 degrees Celsius. Shimla, it is correctly given that it is 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty 15, before 15 14 is there, so 14 degrees Celsius, and at last Bengaluru 20, 21, 22 degrees Celsius it is written. So we have solved the A part. Let us solve the B part. So our B part is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Means इसमें से हॉटेस्ट प्लेस का और हमें कोल्डेस्ट प्लेस का टेम्परेचर का हमें डिफरेंस निकालना है. मीन्स डिफरेंस मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन. तो हमें हॉटेस्ट और कोल्डेस्ट प्लेस का सब्ट्रैक्शन निकालना है. तो यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा हॉटेस्ट प्लेस बेंगलुरु है बिकॉज it is 22 degrees Celsius, and coldest place is Lahore Spiti because it is -8 degrees Celsius. So let us solve it. B1. First we will write the temperature of hottest place, which is Bengaluru. Hottest place whose temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, and temperature of coldest place, which is -8 degrees Celsius. So let us find out the difference of it. 22 minus bracket -8. We'll open the bracket and minus multiplied by minus will become plus. So 22 plus 8 will be 30 degrees Celsius. So hence the difference between the hottest and the coldest place temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. So let's solve the C part, which is what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. अभी हमें B वाले पार्ट में हॉटेस्ट और कोल्डेस्ट प्लेस का हमें निकालना था सब्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स डिफरेंस. अभी इसमें हमें पर्टिकुलर प्लेस का नेम दिया गया है, तो फिर हम लोग लाहौल स्पीति और श्रीनगर का डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. सो लेट अस सॉल्व इट. C part will be temperature of Lahaul Spiti, which will be -8 degrees Celsius, and temperature of, so we have to find out the temperature of Srinagar also. So temperature of Srinagar will be -2 degrees Celsius as given in the question. So let us find out the difference. -2 -8, we'll add the bracket. We'll open the bracket and minus multiplied by minus will become plus. So -2 plus 8, or minus multiplied by plus will be minus. So 2 minus 8. आंसर विल बी -6, क्योंकि हमें पहले से ही 2 का हमें पहले से ही दिया गया था, तो फिर हम लोग कभी भी बिगर नंबर का साइन लिखते हैं. सो वी हैव रिटन हियर -6. सो आंसर हैड केम -6 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो लेट अस सॉल्व द डी पार्ट. कैन वी से temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together as less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? It means that हम लोग ऐसा कह सकते हैं क्या कि श्रीनगर और शिमला का अगर हम लोग टेम्परेचर एक साथ ले, मीन्स ऐड करें उसका टेम्परेचर, तो जो आंसर आता है वो शिमला के टेम्परेचर से लेस है. लेट अस फाइंड आउट इट. सो D1 will be temperature of, first of all we will find out the temperature of Srinagar, which is -2 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of Shimla, because we have to take the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together. So temperature of Shimla will be 5 degrees Celsius. So let us add it. -2 plus 5, minus multiplied by plus will be minus. So 2 minus 5, which will be 5 minus 2 only. So 5, 4, 3. 3 will become and 3 degrees Celsius, and our temperature of Shimla was 5 degrees Celsius. और जैसा कि क्वेश्चन में भी पूछा गया है वो लेस होगा, तो फिर हमारा आंसर राइट निकलता है. इट इज़ लेस देन द टेम्परेचर ऑफ शिमला. सो आंसर विल बी येस. सो D1 सेकेंड पार्ट वाज, इज इट ऑल्सो लेस देन द टेम्परेचर एट श्रीनगर. मीन्स जो हमारा 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस आंसर आया है वो श्रीनगर के भी टेम्परेचर से लेस है. वी विल राइट हियर नो, बिकॉज -2 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस से छोटा है, मीन्स इट इज स्मॉलर देन इट. सो वी विल राइट हियर नो.